Hi friends, welcome to Saranya Recipe Box. Today we are going to make popcorn in IFB micro oven in just 2 minutes. For that you need to buy microwave popcorn, and this is a 25 rupees package, and all the clear instruction is given in the package itself at the behind. And this is the butter flavor one, so let's begin how to make it. So you can see this yellow color layer, and this layer should be placed at the bottom of the microwave plate. When you're keeping it inside the microwave, we have to keep this at the bottom of the plate like this. So it will, now we have to set the timing. So if your microwave oven is 1000 watt and above, you need to set it for 2 minutes. So I'm going to set it for 2 minutes. If it is below, you need to increase accordingly. Now, within 2 minutes, our super tasty popcorn will get ready. So, gradually the popping sound will get reduced. So, that time we need to stop the function. It took exactly 2 minutes in this microwave oven. So, now we are going to open this package. See, let's see how it has come out. It is fully popped very well. So, it was very crunchy and tasty too. Not even one single corn was left inside the package. It was too good. So do try and share your feedback. Share with your friends and family. Do subscribe to Saranya SP Box. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.